Daily use English sentences in classroom for a competent teacher. General instructions. Please be quiet. Attention please. Can everyone sit down please? Raise your hand if you have a question. Let's start the lesson. Please put away your things. Time to pack up your books. Let's review the homework. Who is absent today? Are you ready to begin? Let's begin our class. Please stop talking. Settle down, please. I am waiting for you to be quiet. Is everyone here? Open your books to page. Can you please come to the front? Please take out your homework. Turn the page. It's time for a break. Note down the diary, please. Can you please read this aloud? Be regular to school. Have you been ill? Goodbye class. See you tomorrow.